Here's a quick update on the hydroponic hot peppers that I am growing in my office. There's 3 peppers in this particular hydroponic unit. There's 2 Scotch Brain, and 1 is a cross between a Chocolate Ghost and Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion. In the past, I have not gotten very good results using an AeroGarden, but I've noticed that pollination has helped me immensely. And rather than buy the pollinator that you actually take around and touch from flower to flower, I just grab the plants and shake them from the base. Sometimes I'll reach up in the canopy and I'll shake those around also. But you can tell that I am getting better results by doing so. There's a pod there. There's another one. There's another one forming. Another one. Another one. And another one. As a matter of fact, I'm even starting to get some of the Scotch Brain pods forming. So I would say that that has helped me out quite a bit. Something else that has helped out has been to keep the pepper plants pruned, and so I try to keep them all underneath the light as much as possible. I cut off the branches that stick out beyond, and I also cut off the branches that are down below the upper canopy that's, for example, that are not getting as much light. And it does take quite a lot longer to get ripe peppers than what I anticipated too. You can see that these have been in the recirculating hydroponic unit for 236 days. And so far I've only gotten 3 hot peppers, and so if you want to do this, consider it is going to take a lot more time than, for example, lettuce or some of the other quick to produce crops.